In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save stickers from Telegram to WhatsApp. Telegram and WhatsApp use different sticker formats, so you usually can't move a sticker pack directly from one app to the other. The good news is that it's still very easy to do if you use a sticker making app to convert the images into a format WhatsApp accepts. I'll walk you through the simplest method. First, install a sticker maker app on your phone. Open the Google Play Store if you're on Android, or the App Store if you're using an iPhone. Search for Sticker Maker and install a trusted app such as Sticker Maker or Sticker.li. These apps are designed to turn your images into sticker packs that work inside WhatsApp, and they make the process much faster. Once that's installed, open Telegram and go to the sticker pack you want to use. When you find the pack, tap the sticker pack name at the top of the screen to open its details. From there, tap the three-dot menu. You may see an option to copy the link, or you can simply continue manually if your goal is just to save individual stickers. Copying the link can be useful if you want to keep track of the pack, but the main thing here is getting access to the sticker images. Next, download the sticker image. Tap on one of the stickers you want, then tap Share, and choose Save to Gallery if that option appears on your device. This is the easiest way to move the sticker image out of Telegram so you can use it in your Sticker Maker app. If you don't see any save option, don't worry. In that case, just take a screenshot of the sticker instead. It's a simple workaround that still lets you use the image. If you use a screenshot, make sure the sticker is as centered and clear as possible because you'll be cropping it in the next step. Now open your Sticker Maker app and create a new sticker pack. Tap the option to create a new pack, then add the images you saved from your gallery. After that, crop each sticker carefully. If the app gives you the option to remove the background, use it to make the sticker look cleaner and more natural inside WhatsApp. Taking a few extra seconds here can make a big difference in the final result. When your stickers are ready, tap Add to WhatsApp. The app will export the new sticker pack, and once that's done, your stickers will appear inside WhatsApp and be ready to use in chats. That's it. You've successfully converted Telegram stickers into WhatsApp stickers using the easiest method available.